Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you 3 types of healthy parathas that you can make at home very easily using my recipe. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium. I am going to make beetroot paratha first. I am adding about 1 teaspoon olive oil. You can use ghee or butter if you want to, or any cooking oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 pieces of chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Now we'll add grated beetroot. Here I have taken 1 small size beetroot, about 1 cup. I have already peeled, washed and grated. We will add the salt later. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep the flame on medium. Add very little water, about half teaspoon. Now switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Then we'll make a fine paste. It has cooled completely. Let me make a fine paste. I am adding very little water. Beetroot paste is ready. To make the dough, I am taking half cup of oat. I will dry roast it. Keep the flame medium to high. It will take 2 to 3 minutes only. Okay, now switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now I will grind it to make a fine powder. To make the dough, I am taking 1½ cup of multigrain flour, half cup of oat flour. Now I am adding beetroot paste, 1 teaspoon mango powder or amchur, half teaspoon crushed carom seeds or ajwain, 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon curry leaves powder. It makes nice flavor but it's optional. Salt to taste, I am adding 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Now make a smooth and soft dough. If you need water, you can add very little water. I am adding very little water. Now grease with half teaspoon olive oil. I have added 1 tablespoon water only. Cover it, otherwise it will become dry. Leave it for only 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, knead it again. As you can see how smooth and soft it is. Make some balls. With 1½ cup of multigrain flour and half cup of oat flour, I am making 6 parathas. Dust some flour. Roll it. Make a round shape and slightly thick. Dust the excess flour. Keep the flame on medium. Flip the other side. I am applying half teaspoon oil. Apply the oil both sides. Flip it couple of times and press it gently. Okay, let me finish all of them. Healthy beetroot paratha is ready. Serve with plain yogurt. Palak paratha or spinach paratha. We have to boil the spinach. I have taken 1 bunch of spinach. I am adding very little water. Cover it for 2 minutes on high heat. Open the lid and turn up the flame. Let it cool down. Then we will make a puree. Spinach has cooled completely. I am adding 2 green chilies and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. I am adding this excess water to make a puree. Palak or spinach puree is ready. So let's make the dough for paratha. Take a bowl. I am making 1 cup of multigrain flour and 1 cup of roasted oats flour. I made the roasted oats flour in the same process as the beetroot paratha. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, salt to taste. Mix it well. Now we will add palak puree. Here we have little bit palak puree in the blending jar. So I am adding very little water. Wash it. If we need, we will use this later. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Now we will make smooth and soft dough. If you don't want to use oats flour, you can also use multigrain flour or plain wheat flour. It's your choice. Now we will add very little water. Add the water gradually. Add some more water. I think it's enough. We don't need more water. Our dough is ready. Grease with very little oil, half teaspoon oil. Knead it again. Now cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Now make some balls. Knead it again for few seconds only. With 1 cup of multigrain flour and 1 cup of oats flour, I am making 7 parathas. Before starting to roll them, let's heat up the pan. Keep the flame on low to medium. I am using same iron pan. Roll it evenly, but do not make very thin. Okay, 1 paratha is ready to roast. Roast it on medium heat. Leave the other side. Repeat again. I am applying half teaspoon olive oil. Press it gently. If you like crispy paratha, then flip it couple of times, 3-4 times at least. Our 1 paratha is ready. Let me finish the remaining parathas, then we'll serve it. Palak paratha or spinach paratha is ready. Serve with yogurt. I'm sprinkling little bit salt and red chili powder. That's it. Methi paratha or fenugreek leaves paratha. I am taking 2 cups of multigrain flour. For methi paratha, I am not using oats flour because multigrain flour has oats. Though I have used roast oats flour to make beetroot and spinach paratha. Let me show you the flour I use. This is multigrain flour. As you can see, wheat, soy, oats, maize, ragi, chana dal and barley. So this is very good for health. Here I have 2 bunches of methi saag or fenugreek leaves and I have removed the stem. As you can see, I have already removed the stem. Then I have washed and chopped it. I have used my pulling vegetable chopper to chop it. It helps to make chop finely. I am not going to soak it in salt water. I will add directly in the flour. Adding chopped methi saag or fenugreek leaves. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. teaspoon crushed green chili, about 2 green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon amchur or mango powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt to taste, but I have added 1.5 teaspoon. I am adding 1 teaspoon pomegranate powder because methi or fenugreek leaves are bitter. You can also add sugar if you want to, and you can use ready-made ginger and green chili paste if you want to. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Now mix it well. Before adding the water, mix it very well. Here I have taken 2/3 cup water. Let's see how much we need. Add the water gradually. Do not add too much water at a time. Adding some more water. Now we have to knead the dough very well. Make smooth and soft dough. Our dough is ready. So grease with little bit oil, about half teaspoon. If you see the dough is little softer, you can sprinkle some flour. Now leave it for only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, again knead it for few seconds. Okay, now we'll make some balls. Size is totally up to you. Our balls are ready. With 2 cups of flour and 2 bunches of methi saag or fenugreek leaves, I am making 8 parathas. You can make 8, 6 or 10 parathas, but I am making little thick. So before rolling the paratha, let's preheat the pan. Keep it on medium heat. Again I am using iron pan. Take some flour to roll it. Roll it evenly. I am going to make it triangle shaped. See how I am folding. Press it gently. Fold it again one side. Again I am taking some flour to roll it. You can also make it triangle, square and round shape, however you like. You can also apply little bit oil, then fold it, but I am not applying. Okay, one paratha is ready to roast. Roast it both sides evenly. Make sure it is on medium. Flip the other side. I am applying half teaspoon olive oil. You can use ghee or butter if you want to, but I am making methi paratha, so I am not using ghee. Apply the oil both sides. Press it gently. Flip it couple of times if you like crispy paratha. Okay, one paratha is ready. Let me finish all of them. Methi paratha served with some pickle. This is mango pickle and yogurt. Let me sprinkle little bit raita masala. I like paratha with only yogurt. Hope you like this recipe, beetroot paratha, palak paratha and methi paratha. Try to make it and please let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.